who's ready to play with me? Well, let's see what happens with me starts to play with a. Here. This one with the hat comes always at the beginning, never attached to anything. So first this, then I have my capital M. A, M. A, M. Together. This one comes in the middle or at the end. Because this one wants to attach, I have my lowercase m. So it attached from the end here. Me, together. Ma. Here, I have my a. So this bigger one comes always at the beginning, never attached to anything. So first this, then this. A, together. This one, as usual, jumps right up. Why on a lowercase? Because we know that this one always is in the middle of a word. So, together. Ma. This one. This bigger one comes always at the beginning, never attached to anything. So together. This one, as usual, comes right down there, and as this one comes always at the middle of a word, so I have my lowercase m. This one makes me sound like itself. So together. Me. This one here. O, always at the beginning, never attached to anything. O, m. Together. This here jumps like these two up there, makes me sound like itself. O, together. Mo. What about this one? Well, U comes always at the beginning. This one, of course, never attached to anything. So first I have my U, then M. Together. Why did I read U first? Yes, because I wrote it first. U, M. Together. How about this one? Well, now we have a little bit of change again. U comes at the end and attaches to the lowercase m. Why? Because we know that U comes at the middle of a word sometimes, or sometimes at the end, and it likes to attach from here. So lowercase m has to attach, so there's no other point to be concerned about. They are attaching to each other. U, together. Mu. One interesting point. Mu is the same as hair in English. Mu. The same as hair in English. As easy as that, you can make words, which of course I will learn you in the next season. I just wanted you to know how easy it could be. Here, I have my tricky E here. Well, here, me attached to this. Why? Because this one has to attach. So, my capital me doesn't matter. It doesn't care if it attached from here. So they attach. It can't attach from here, never ever. But from here, yes, it can. So, E-M. E-M. Together. Im. Here, well, this one wants to attach too, so I have my lowercase me and there's no problem. Me, together. Me. me. As easy as that. Well, for practicing, one page, one page, one page, one page until the end. And as you write it down, you read it with it because of the maximum learning. And when you did it, comment for me and let me know that if you did it. If you had any questions, again, in the comments, ask me, I will answer. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next session. Bye.